as one of my students requested me to speak something in English language because he loves to listen to me. I really thank to him, and I really thank to my all students because they have been liking me for more than 5 to 6 years in terms of learning English language especially. Today, as we can easily feel that it is scorching hot, and at the same time we all are available here to learn English language, to gain knowledge. For that we should thank to Almighty that He has given us chance to learn, to gain knowledge. And knowledge or education is the most important part of our life. And when it comes to getting education, we should be very, very serious. We should not take it for granted. Because it is been said by Maula Ali, money is the thing which you have to protect, and education is the thing it will protect you till the last breath of your life. So my dear all students, here we have come to learn English language. You get certain ideas from here, you get certain topics from here, and as far as my experience is concerned, that when you focus on something, when you keep connected yourself with that particular thing, somehow you reach that particular goal. It doesn't matter how badly you want something, but this matter how regularly you follow the process. If you want to achieve something, run fast. If you can't run fast, at least keep running. If you can't run, at least walk. If you can't walk, then crawl. But keep on going, keep on growing, do not stop. One day or the other, you will definitely get success. In this class, as 5 fingers are not equal, so all students are also not equal. Some of them or some of you may have Hindi medium background, some of you may have their regional language background, but all of us here gathered to learn English language. This doesn't matter that what is your background and where are you from, but this matter how much you are serious to learn English language, how much you are taking all the things which you have been getting in the class properly, and how much you are serious with those things, how much you are serious with your life, how much you are serious for your future. Because it is very widely said that your future depends on your present. If you are ready to make your present well, because it is at your hand, I think you are going to set an example for all. This is our English communication class, so I would be surely talking more about communication skills and spoken English. Some of you have been thinking that when we learn English language, when we are able to speak English language, we are done. No, even if you know how to speak English language, but communication skill is something else. Spoken English is just language, whereas communication skill is an art, and you have to become an artist. So my dear all students, you can apply so many ideas. What we are actually doing right now, what we are actually doing right away, like we are recording videos. I had been recording videos a lot when I used to learn English, when I was crazy for learning English language, and that helped me like big time. And I do suggest you that follow it religiously, make videos, short videos on a regular basis, and watch it again and again. I'm not forcing or insisting you to post in your WhatsApp and social media platform, but I am insisting you to make more and more videos. Start your front camera, record your video, whatever you want, speak up. Or if you don't understand what to speak, tell about your routine, which I already gave you last class to prepare for your daily routine. Make your daily routine well. And if you speak certain things, or if you want to speak but you don't get ideas, prepare for some topics and then speak, then record the video. And when you keep on recording, after some times you would be able to see a remarkable change in your communication skills. Two important things which I always suggest you, that when you create video, when you make video, speak loud. Second thing is that be confident. I'm telling you the truth that when you become confident, you can speak in front of anyone. We face certain people, we face sometimes position of authority, we sometimes face wonderful English communicator, and we think that they are better than us, they are better than me, and due to that only we are unable to speak. But it is not like that. You have to be confident. Whatsoever you have learned from here, those are sufficient. When you keep practicing, when you keep those things in your mind, and when you inculcate certain words or vocabulary in your mind, you will be able to construct sentences properly. Make sure, what is the biggest mistake most of the English learners do or commit? They try to make their sentences difficult, tough. They try to use difficult words, and due to that they cannot speak properly. Always keep it simple, make simple sentences. Try to understand that you are the beginner, and when you speak simple, when you speak slow, when you go slow, when you use simple words, you can speak your words, you can speak your thought, right? And when you speak simple, when you pronounce correct, when you be humble, when it comes to speaking and talking with anyone, you would be respected everywhere. That's all. Thank you for listening to me.